Here we are on a beautiful morning, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. We got a shower pan repair on a gorgeous house here, kept in great shape, Barrington, Illinois. They had some remodel work done maybe 5-6 years ago, and as we go inside, the plumber's working on the drain. Great products. Aesthetically, it looks great, but then again, aesthetics are aesthetics, and it's too bad that someone once again skipped some steps to do the job right.
I got another idea. I don't know if I can get this off.
Is it a brass drain?
No.
It's PVC.
Oh no, it's a cast iron one.